Bitch, your mother try to kick you out of the house. The one bedroom in there supposed to stink no bumbo clad. That one bedroom where you're in is supposed to stink. Real man no curse woman. Me no real man then. Them say me a batty man, so see the batty man. Yes, girl. Suck on the mother, I'm too no. Word sticks and stones can break my bones. You never see me a cry on blood clot internet yet. I see she a cry on internet show, so she can't manage the blood clot fire. So when I say 40 days and 40 nights, we have got 40 days and 40 nights. 2 for 2. The minute she go live, me I go live. 2 for blood clot too, because she will stop first. What the blood clot do no? Because see, if she can maintain a lifestyle, because me can maintain a lifestyle, me not have to left my yard. Me can stay on this 24 blood clot 7 and sleep right there. So, because everybody who disrespect me I get done. I want to know so I have an enemy for life. You big stinking pussy Prettidon, go suck your blood clot mother. That big thinking old girl, go suck your mother big thinking girl. You're shaped like Johnny Bravo. You open so big so and bring some marg and a blood clot. You're shaped like a pregnant pencil, mama. Go suck your mother.
We're supposed to help, strive for support. If I even tap in, I 1-1 rose.
Even tapping on 1-1 rose. Mama, you're the 11,033 pints and the girl you have 5, she have 560 pints. You do not respect your followers. You think your followers are your walking ATM. Go suck your mother big old girl. You don't rate your blood clot followers. I'm telling you this. Anyone on the blood clot go send money to that girl, you know, fool because she don't rate to know.
Just come over this blood clot.
Guys, we are look at one thing with me, and I'm very calculated, you know, telling her that. You notice me not say nothing the past 2 days, them though. You notice me not say nothing? Yeah, man, my turn now, man. And tomorrow Sunday to do. Yeah, man, hurry up and get ready to go. Imagine. Oh, all of this start, you know. Thank you so much for complimenting my teeth. This big stinking girl say my mouth stink. I'm telling you this. People, out of me or Rosalee, which one of us look big and stink? No, me now wait for the screen record and me call them over here. My side, bring it up to 50k likes. Bring it up to 50k likes, my side. You see when it comes to this? Look how them a weaponize our gender. Oh, man no for cuss woman. Woman no for cuss man. Woman did understand them harder. Just like I want to say man no understand them role, woman no understand them role neither. When you want to come size up with me for, if I did watch the video with sense, you would have said, I never disrespect your purposely, mama. You understand me? I say, I never disrespect you. Now you come disrespect my mother, bitch, go suck your mother. Make you see your mother. Go compare mother. You post your mother, me post my mother, and see who have a shame. Couple of your blood clot followers, them and say, hey, look at my body shame, woman. Make him post him mother. If I post my mother, I want to shame. You know, see my bum clot cute and my teeth nice. Eh? When I say my blood clot nice, I'm look cute. Big stinking old girl. But you never disrespect her. Thank you so much. Moderators, do the work now. I want moderator. Moderator, I want 1.4k likes, and I'm telling you this right now. Screen record this. Prettidon and the big thinking Tasmanian devil when named Rosalee. Mama wanna go suck on the mother and I have an enemy for life. I'm telling you that 48 laws of power. Crush your blood clot enemies totally. Every fucking day you gotta hear my mouth. Remember me tell you that. I'm Prettidon, you see if you have blood clot fix up your face, mama, you look like a tail from the crypt. You look like you're going to die. Prettidon, you have AIDS. Allegedly. Prettidon, you're dying. Allegedly. Prettidon, your kidney them a failure. Allegedly. Prettidon, your liver a failure. Allegedly. Don't you see the discoloration for your face, Prettidon? You want to wash out from some holy water. Bitters not gonna do nothing for you. A demons are working, you know. That's why you disrespect ladies nowadays. A lot of fucking woman. The woman say come kiss out our Bible. What kind of righteousness you preach? Prettidon, go fuck yourself with your own. Just spin over your hood and push it in your pussy and come, bitch. I want to know. Eh? You come talk about that's why someone wanna move like Batman, that's why no girl no live with you know. When I need to live with no girl, big pussy girl, cause I need nothing from nobody. They have more things, and my girl them have them things too. Big pussy girl. Eh? Prettidon, when you walk in your house and go and show your blood clot house, Prettidon. If you do that, me do that. If you do that, what the fuck? You can see how in my house look. In my video, them. See, you lose already. Your house don't look like my house. Prettidon, your house look dark and moldy and stink. Same thing with a big thinking Tasmanian devil there. Eh? When I talk about body shame, yeah man, the time is now for body shame. Yeah man, you talk about body shame. It's a shame to look like how Rosalee look. It's a shame. Rosalee, you're one blood clot pot of curry, blood clot goat away from a heart attack. You're 3 oxtail plate away from a heart attack, Rosalee. Rosalee, you're 3 oxtail plate away from a heart attack. Which Rosalee, that the big stinking one, they come disrespect man, I tell me about my mother. Big thinking Rosalee, go suck your mother. Big thinking old girl. Eh? When you go suck on the mother, moving a bomb buckler from around yourself. When you come think someone a soft soap, I come disrespect man, I come talk man, I come call man, batty man. I'm telling you this. Everybody who call me batty man, I'm this ball. My ball, you fuck. Since me a blood clot batty man, I find the blood clot man when think me fuck or fuck me. And if you find him and him come and say Negus tomorrow real, you're a batty man for real. Me delete all of my social media. Since me a batty man, me that ball, when call everybody batty man on the media, me are the only one me tell them if I find him. Yeah man, find him. And if you find him, I'm gonna delete all of my social media. I can't make a shame. I'm gonna shame at that point. I'm gonna shame and I'm gonna feel like say, John, no, my career done, car. You understand me? I say, them I call me batty man and the man them find them. If me a batty man, find them. Find the man them on the claim say, fuck, find them. Me that ball. That blood clot would never go in and a bomber clot man and a man never coming at me. Bitch, I want to know. Upgrading the blood clot talk. My ball. When you find the man them on the summer fuck. Find them. Find them. And if you find them, me delete all of my social media. This is a deal. Shake my hand. Thank you. So the deal seal. The deal seal. You come talk about man a batty man. Go suck on the mother. I want to know. You go suck on the mother. One big. Yeah man, who cuss like girl man. And what's your name? Rosalee cuss like man. So 2 of we now play our role. I'm in a mind talk, I'm in a mind, don't say nothing about me. Say anything I know about me. Cuss like girl, me a fish, me whatever the fuck. When you say my mouth stink, really and truly now. Out of me and Rosalee, who the fuck you think look stink? Look at my mouth. Rosalee, show us your tongue. Rosalee, you cannot long out your tongue white no blood clot. Rosalee, World Dog asked Rosalee if she ever suck wood. She about no man do them thing that Rosalee, no man no one you suck them wood, Rosalee. If a man put him wood in your mouth, that melt off and bun way. That melt off and bun way. My side, 100k likes, my side, 100k likes. Make sure not screen record, you know. Cause me telling you, you know. It not done yet, you know. And as soon as Prettidon talk, me have a talk to, you know. Matter of fact, is Prettidon legal in America? Somebody let me know if Prettidon legal in America. Because if it's not legal, me I call ICE on the phone right now. I get Prettidon deported. When they go low, I go lower.